Thank you. Thank you so much. And you know what? It's so amazing to be up here with the EAS band as well. I mean, come on, give them some love. They are working so hard. I said to John, I don't recognize you. I haven't seen you for ages. It's 3 years since we played together. COVID, I know COVID just wiped us all out, didn't it? But we just said it's like no time has passed.
Yeah.
We're like, hey, yeah, we picked the last joke up or whatever. You know, it was great. It was great.
Oh man, I love the choices that you have here. These are so, aren't these beautiful songs? So nice to hear them. This song is probably one of my all-time favorite Elvis songs. Was this a 72 song or 70?
72, I think 72 was 75 as well.
Okay, later.
Maybe a little bit later. I don't know.
But I'm always trying to figure out, and my mind is getting worse with time. This happens. I've heard this happens, but I can't remember who told me. It's crazy, man.
Is it 1970? Oh, so we both.
Oh, so
70. Wow.
Well, I should have asked you. I always gotta ask you. You know all this stuff. You know it all. Whose phone is ringing? We want to answer it.
Yeah, can we answer it? Where is it?
Where is it?
Own up to it now. Come on. No pressure.
she's turned it off. That's it. Well, where is it?
No, where is it?
Yeah. Give it to us, quick. Where is it? She's digging in that bag. How deep is that bag?
It's Mary Poppins' bag.
That is. She's pulled an umbrella out of there.
Did you make it in time?
Or did you answer it? It did ring. We all heard it ring. No, but when they call back, hand it to us, okay?
Yes.
Because we want to talk to them. We got something major to tell them.
Yeah. Even if it's mid-song.
Yeah, you want to stop with
hand it to us. Because that'll be funny.
Yeah, I ordered a pizza an hour ago, and that damn thing still isn't here.
Actually, sir, we're at the front door. Is there a phone call? Is that Mother?
It's Mother. Hi, Mother! Hang on, Bud's gonna take the call. Hang on, everybody. You called your mom, though. Put it on speakerphone so we can all hear it, Benny. Let me see.
Hello. Ah, there you go. Hello, Mom. How are you?
Underneath.
Oh, underneath. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. So where are you calling from right now?
Green Bay.
Oh, Green Bay, Wisconsin. Well, we're here in Memphis, Tennessee, and you're on stage with
600 people.
600 people watching. Dean Z and myself, Ben Thompson.
Hi, Mom! Hi, Mom! Mom! Can you hear me? Mom!
Hi, Mom. Is your name Mom?
She's in the phone as Mom.
She's in the phone as Mom. Okay, well, thank you so much for calling.
Love you, Mom.
I love you so much, and let's do dinner soon.
Yeah.
Okay? All right?
Mom, meatloaf!
Mom! Meatloaf! Get the meatballs!
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Mom.
Meatloaf!
Bye. Bye-bye.
Give it up for Mom, everybody.
Bless her heart. I just hung up on her as well. I'm sorry. She'll call back.
She'll call back. She'll call back. Well, we're going to get back to it, man, because we're going to get kicked off this stage. You guys ready for some more music? Let's do some more music. Yeah.
Let's do it.
I lie in the darkness.
so much.